Hey everyone, Geek Studios here with another product install and review. And this is a dash cam from FitCamX. So they sent this to us. We're gonna do a complete install and review. We've already downloaded the app, so we have the app on our phone. This FitCamX camera does come with an app, so already downloaded. Let's see what's in the box. I'm sure there's not much in there. So let's go ahead and take a look. And like I said, not much in here. So we have the actual cam itself. So this is actually going to replace the cover that goes over your rear view mirror. So as you can see here, that's going to plug in. You have your camera here, and also on the side over here, you have your SD card and two buttons here. I guess it's like on demand recording, and another button here we don't know yet because we haven't looked at it yet. Also in here is the instructions.
Which probably tells you what that button does.
Probably tells you what the button does. So there is a QR code to scan for directions, and we have two QR codes in here to scan for the App Store or the Google Play Store. So that is the things we have. In here we have a pry bar. I'm gonna let y'all know, anytime y'all get these for installs and stuff like that, keep these because these can be very helpful. And then we also have a, what is that there?
Is that an SD card reader?
SD card reader. Oh, they actually send you an SD card reader. Wow. And looks like another connection to here. And I'm sure we'll see that once we get into it. Actually, it looks like this plugs into here.
And that probably sits in for your mirror wiring for either the auto dimming or whatever, so there's no wires.
Yep, so you've got auto dimming or something on there.
That's pretty sweet.
Works out well. All right, so we're gonna hop in the car where it's nice and cool and get everything set up, and we'll have the complete install here in just a second.
All right, so you guys join us inside the car, and we're gonna figure out how to do this. They did provide an instruction video. I did not watch it.
Nope, neither did I.
Which is exactly what Joel wants to hear as I'm about to start taking stuff apart on this car. But it looks like it's pretty straightforward, and this is probably gonna go pretty quick. So, it looks like there's a piece here that has to come off. And they gave this pry tool. I think I can just do it with my finger. Heck yeah. There's the first piece, and then if this is like most every car like this whole assembly should just pop forward
there we go.
Like that. Very aggressively.
Very aggressively. So I see we have a connection here.
All right, and so now we're gonna take a look at our wire harness and see here. I bet it goes to that one right there.
Because that one looks too big. So I'll probably pinch in and pull out.
I'm gonna, hold on, before you do that.
There we go. I may have to get you to look at this because I don't know how to pull this out.
Hold on, the seat's moving. There we go.
There you go.
So yeah, so it should be a push in and just pulls right out.
Wow.
That is not the connector. Okay.
There's one here. And we have one down here.
That looks like it might be it. Ooh, that's hot. Golly, buddy.
Yep. It has been sitting out in the sun.
Okay, so we're gonna take this connector off. On the EV6, it goes in the, it looks like a processing box of some point. Oh, maybe not, hold on. Did I say I didn't watch the video? Did I already mention that? That is not the one.
Yep. Okay, we're 0 for 2.
0 for 2. Off to a great start. Is it this one?
Third time's a charm, isn't it?
Hey, that's that one. Okay, so it is the one for the mirror, which is what I thought originally.
It's auto dims and all that, so yeah.
So that goes there. That goes there. If I can get it to go back in. Oh, it helps if you have it oriented the correct way.
So USB.
There we go. We're gonna take this little bit here. It goes into this. It is keyed. It can only go one way. Voila. And now we need to pop that piece off just like we did before. Okay, and get that oriented around. We're gonna need to get that cable semi-tucked.
I assume we'll tuck it over here maybe.
That would make sense.
Yep. Is that gonna be a problem right there? No, it won't.
Okay, and that should get up on the window.
I'll let you take it over because I don't have a good angle on it.
Sure. Haha. Like that.
Yep. And then the cover.
And then this little cover goes on. This hooks up here in the front. Pop in. Get the mirror loosely back where it goes. And now, if we turn the car on, we should get a sign of life. We should also pull the
Blue tape off it.
blue tape off of it. And now I'm gonna undo this foam mount and we're gonna show you setting it up on the app.
Yep.
All right, while Joel figures out where his app is and everything before we set that up, we're gonna come in here and I'll show you. Now that it's on, you can see we have an LED light. It's blinking, which I believe means it's ready to pair.
All right.
So Joel, let's set this thing up.
All right, so as you can see, and we'll also do screen recording this as well, as you can see, FitCamX app, it says you haven't connected to FitCamX, hit add camera. It says after installing the camera, please start your car and the camera's light will light up. That is true. All right, next, select Wi-Fi and connect. Please connect the camera Wi-Fi in the phone settings and then turn to the app. So connect. Looks like it's there. Let me see here.
You're gonna need to go to your Wi-Fi settings.
That's what I figured. So let's go back again. Add camera next. FitCamX.
Yeah, it's just taking you to the wrong part of settings.
Go to my Wi-Fi.
Settings bottom left.
Thank you, sir. I was already there.
Back again.
Dang. All right.
Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi. There we go.
Oh, hold on.
All right. So it showed up on here. Car cam JM. Click that. Password. Enter the password. See if it came with one. All right, it says.
Hold on, that's in German. You probably don't.
We don't want German.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Joined. There we are.
All right, now you can go back to your FitCam app.
Boom. Allow.
You're gonna have to probably hit add camera again.
Nope, it's connecting.
Hey,
And we should see the front of my garage. There it is.
look at that. That was pretty easy.
That was pretty easy. It was from my garage. As you can see, it has a USB card. It did come with a USB.
Or SD card,
SD
yeah.
card, it was 64.
64 gig, yes.
So it's a very impressive SD card that it comes with. You can download files here. It looks like so there's something happened, you want to download it, you can download it there. If you go into camera settings, looks like you can choose the sound recording, video resolution, if you want to loop the record options. It says the duration of each recording and storage card is 3 minutes. Exposure, timestamp, driver collision sensing. So it says when the camera is in working state, it will automatically locks current recording video when a collision is detected. That's set to least sensitive. Park monitoring, auto power on and record a video once detect a collision when your car is off. Let's turn that on.
I'm assuming it would probably need always on power.
Yep. So yeah. All right, and then here's the Wi-Fi name and all that and password. So very simple.
So if you go up back into settings.
Sure.
Sorry, once it's done spinning.
Settings.
And you get video resolution. What's it give you the options for? It goes up to 4K.
Yep.
Look at that.
Go ahead and select 4K. Why not?
And so yeah, on my dash cams, I typically have this set to 1 minute. Because basically each video clip is a minute long.
Gotcha.
And typically you don't need a 3-minute clip, and it's easier for me to scrub through 1 minute clips.
Now, suggestion, would yours be 4K or not? Because 4K is going to take up more memory on the car.
You can do 4K. I mean,
yeah,
that should still get you plenty of, if something happens, you should still be able to find it out with
Gotcha.
it. But cool.
Yep.
And if you wanted to, you could turn sound on. That's up to you.
Yep. And then here, of course, you have the option to take a picture and actually start recording. So I can take a picture if I wanted to, and I took a picture. And then there's the recording too as well.
I actually think that pauses recording.
Pause recording.
And then you can hit that and it will start
No, but still doing it 15.
recording pause.
Oh, you're right. And then that.
But cool. That was easy, Joel.
All right, so as you can see, this camera was pretty quick and easy to install. What, about 10 minutes total, Sebastian?
Maybe, and most of that was me fiddling with trying to get the cover back on.
And looking at the instructions and things like that, downloading apps and things like that. But I do suggest you download the app before you get started. If not, it's just another step you have to do. So in the description of the video, you will find a discount code. FitCamX is offering 8% off anyone who clicks on that link through this video, so you get 8% off, which is really cool. It's a little discount, but it's something. So Sebastian, what do you think? Good quality?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. We'll try to get a couple random little clips after you've driven around with it a little bit. We can throw in here, show off the quality, but in the app preview it looked pretty decent. And I mean, if you didn't know that it was a dash cam, you would not be able to see it.
If you look at the original here, it almost looks exactly the same except for this little hump.
Except for the one little hump. So I mean, it looks perfectly integrated. It's very clean. There's no screens, anything like that. It's just a pretty simple dash cam. And I mean, and it was easy to install.
Yep. So once again, huge shout out to people at FitCamX for sending that out to me. And don't forget to check the description of this video for all the discount codes and links to where you can purchase this. And we will see you again on another EV Geek Studio review. So long, everyone.